Hi guys, you join me here, Daniel from Carbonwurks in California. So you've got the mountains behind. We're on a road trip at the moment. We're seeing some of our manufacturers and suppliers. We thought this is a nice little rest stop. Isn't it nice and quiet here as well? So I hope you enjoy the backdrop here. I'm just hoping that the sun breaks through and I can take this jumper off a little bit later on, but for the time being, enjoy the view and we'll put some B-roll in later on so you can see what we're up to.